Baldry. We're going to be fixing my Mavic Mini 3 Pro. And we're going to be replacing this bit on the camera that moves the camera
So what's it called?
down. And it's called a gimbal.
Well done.
And I've got some new tools. I've got a new screwdriver, a little tiny hand one, and an extension, and a blue one, a crowbar, what's this called?
It's a pry bar.
Pry bar, and what's this?
But they're made out of plastic, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, so we don't damage anything.
Stick.
So do we need anything more from in there?
Do we?
I don't think we do, no.
Okay.
So put that over to the side then. Alright. And do you want to tell...
This is got like loads of tweezers in.
So open it up then so people can see.
But one of them's not a tweezer. So these are all the tweezers a step from this one. Will we be needing this one?
I think we will.
Okay. So we'll
You
need
take that one out.
this one.
Yeah. So put that to the side.
Put that there.
Right here. And then we're going to need the tweezers that are bent. There, that
There.
one and that one. Okay, thank you. And we'll need the flat. We need these flat ones, mate. So take those out for me.
Flat.
No,
What ones are
the flat ones.
flat ones? Of course, the flat ones.
Okay, so put them down on the side then. Alright. See, this is what's broken on your old one. Alright. Now look. See here, they've got tiny little arms that are connected.
Yeah.
Here and here.
Yeah.
Yours have snapped there and there, and the only thing holding it together is the plastic case that sits underneath. So let me tell your subscribers what this is as well.
So it's magnetic. So you can put all the different types of screws on. All the screws on it.
Is that so they don't...
So they don't fall off. We'll have to take those legs out.
Give yourself enough room, mate.
I'm trying to.
They go down like that, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a battery out then.
Okay.
And where are you going to store the battery?
Store the battery.
Does
That
it go that way around?
Let's see. No, that way. There.
Okay.
Yeah. I think we're taking off this.
We do. So how do we do that? Hang on. Hang on a minute. Hang on.
You need to unfold the blades.
Okay. Unfold them in.
That's what I was trying to say.
Okay. So where are the screws? First two set of screws that we have to take out.
Okay, let me just see. See the ones on the blades? No, it's not probably. I'm finding them.
So perhaps we should turn it over.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there.
Yeah.
And there.
And where else would there be some screws?
There. And there.
No. There and there.
Okay.
So you can use your Wearer screwdriver.
With for these ones.
That one, yeah.
Okay. This way.
Right, okay, what I'm going to do, so I'll loosen them off for you.
Okay.
Okay.
So I don't snap it.
Yeah.
Because we don't have any spare ones, do we?
Not spare drones now.
No, spare screws.
Just make sure. See, these are actually Torx ones here, okay?
Yep.
So they're Phillips screws, And these are Torx screws.
Torx. So, one type of these.
So I don't think that we have to undo these two, because we're not taking this bottom cover off.
Yeah, we're not.
So take that cover off, put it over here the way. So the two screws that we have to undo are in here, look. See them all the way down in here? One's this side, and one's that side. See they've got a slight angle to them?
And in there. Yeah.
See they've got an angle to them. So you have to do it with the screwdriver slightly at an angle like this. Okay?
Oh.
Okay, so you undo the back two for me then please. And take them out and put them on your board.
That way, right?
Yeah. Nice and gently. There you go.
Okay. Now, I'm going to make it so... Let me see. That was that one, wasn't it? Yep. So...
Why would you put it there?
Because it's in line with the drone. So...
Okay. And then when you're doing it, slightly lift up while you're still turning. And you'll find that it might come out a bit easier for you. Okay? There you go. Good lad. Alright.
We're now taking off the plastic cover.
On the top, aren't we?
On the top, yeah.
So we're going to start at the back. Okay?
Yeah, start
So
at
this
the
is
back.
this is a bit fiddly, so
you're
I'm going to do this
it.
bit, okay? Alright. Just a bit. It always feels like you're breaking it, but it's not. It just feels very unnatural to pull that off like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so that exposes the inside of the drone, look, Ruben, okay? So do you want to show your subscribers the inside of that?
Yeah.
And then you can show them what we need to take out from the inside. Can you remember what we need to do on the inside of there?
Take out this bit.
Yeah, okay. Can you remember what we need there? So, look, see that little piece in there?
Yeah.
So what is that?
It's a screw.
Yeah, so it's a Phillips. So do you think we can use your normal screwdriver, or do you think we need a different attachment?
Different attachment.
Are you sure?
No, Phillips.
I don't think we need to take this plastic piece off.
We probably do.
We've got to take these ends off, don't we?
Yeah.
So should we do that first? We have to take these off.
First.
Yeah, we have to take those off, okay?
Yeah.
We'll do that first.
We do that first then. Or that.
Are you hiding from me?
No, I'm hiding from it because it might come flicking off.
Whoa! Good job you ducked. It did flip off. Could you get it for me, please, mate?
Yeah. I knew it was going to flick off. Look how tiny those pieces are.
I know. And those are the bits that we're trying to get off,
Have you
mate.
just whipped off the elastic?
So look, I haven't broken anything.
You?
Shouldn't have, no.
Yeah, I think you have.
No, it's not. It's fine. It's supposed to be there. It's a pad.
This one doesn't have one.
Okay, so the reason why that's there, okay, so DJI must have recognised that there was a fault. So when they put things in there, so that's where the wiring loom goes through, okay, into the gimbal.
Oh.
So look, you can see an impression just inside there where the wires inside must sit and touch on there. So it doesn't damage it, they put a little soft piece of foam inside, okay?
No wonder
Can you
this
put that one
one
over there for me, please?
That one doesn't have it though.
No, because that side didn't have the wires on.
Oh.
The wires are only on this side, look. See?
That's cool.
Alright. Okay, so...
Okay.
Oh.
That did not sound good. That sounds like, you know in school where they use the laptops, that's what noise they make when you slide them along.
Really?
Yeah. on the table.
Okay, now then, what are we doing now?
Unscrewing that screw there. So you have to be really careful because it could fall in there.
Okay, go on then.
Or it could fall down there. And then out the bottom.
And that's why I said put it on there to magnetise it. See? Right, put it down then. Okay. Come on, let's take the screw out, please.
You okay?
I'm gonna, hang on 2 seconds, I'm just gonna move this out of the way so we don't.
Is it that way?
Loosey lefty, so it's this way round.
So that way?
Yes. Okay. It's a little bit tighter than the others. Try not to let it off, mate. Keep screwing it as you lift up, okay?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, so that one's on his own. So you want to put that one on himself on the next square up, okay?
Yeah.
See, it's that little metal strip there.
Tweezers?
Yes, we need the tweezers. So which ones do you think is going to be the best ones to use?
These ones.
No.
No, these ones.
No. The angled ones, please.
These ones.
Yes, please.
Am I going to take this out?
Yes, you can.
Because they're easy.
It's not easy to take
Not
out.
that easy.
Okay, listen. Right, look, you've got the board underneath, alright, and it's got all the pins, alright, so we have to be a little bit careful.
Yeah, that's why.
But listen. In here, that bar is its tail is stuck underneath that piece of plastic, okay? So we need to slide it across, then lift it up and put it down there, okay?
Yeah, so
listen.
What I'm trying to do it from
so
the screw.
Go on then. Would you like me to hold it for you?
Yes.
Just gentle. Go on.
Trying to.
Okay. That's the reason why is because you're in the screw hole. Alright? So wait. Look. If you hold it like this, like come here. Hold it like that. Open them up a bit. Close it up a bit so it just touches on those. Okay? There you go.
Yes.
Alright.
Should I use the tweezers?
Use the tweezers with the other end. Okay. And put it over there. Well done. Okay?
Let's line up, right?
Right. Okay.
I could have taped it out.
I know you could have. So, now that's out.
We have to take off the gimbal, take off the
So
two
look,
sides.
what we've done is we've marked the motors, look, so these are going to be at the top when we fit them back on again.
Okay.
Okay, and see they've got white markings on the inside, look. So we're going to take these rubbers out and they sit around those little plugs there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, look, so we've taken that piece of plastic, okay? So that was the only thing that was holding that side on, alright?
Okay.
So this is the damaged one. Alright, you've got to be very careful with the little tiny wires that are inside. And can you see how that's vibrating there, look? See?
Yeah.
When you hit the drone, right, and crashed it, it broke this piece here. But see it's vibrating?
Yeah.
And that's what it was doing on the film. So it was making the video vibrate on one side. That's how I knew that there was something wrong with it. Okay? So now what we have to do, right,
Try and refix it.
take these little pieces out here,
When you see it, look,
Yeah.
see the cracks.
and this side off, and we're going to put it into the new one. Alright?
Okay, that's going to be the hard part.
Yes, it is. Right.
And we might have to take the whole camera apart.
Right.
I think we might have to do
Okay.
that.
Right. Well, let's see what we can do here, shall we? So let's take this side off first. So I think it just goes in like that, and then pops out. Okay, so that's that piece actually off now. Okay.
Yeah.
So we've got to take those screws out, and they'll go back into there.
Okay.
So there's the screwdriver. Put it on the end with a magnet.
Yeah.
So I'll try and hold these out of the way the best I can. Okay, and you're going to put it in there. Okay. Good lad. Alright. Is that enough for you? No? Good? Good lad, let me try.
Yeah. It's not that hard.
Oh, that's good. So make sure they're all in there properly. That tail piece slides in there, but the tail hook on this side has to go under the board. Okay? That's it, nearly. That's it. And then pushing. Ready? You slide them in. Go. Whoa, whoa. There you go. Oh, stop. Because that side's got to go in as well, isn't it?
Good. I'm going up here.
Okay, stop. I'll tighten the rest of it, okay?
Yeah. No, you can do the rest. Right now.
Now we're going to push. You're going to pass me those in a second.
Listen. There you go.
Make sure that sits in the groove properly. There you go, that's in the groove.
There. We're going to be putting on this shell onto the drone now.
Offer them up then.
And you have to be really careful not to break it. Is it like just sliding?
No, I don't think it does.
We're now going to be testing the gimbal going up and down. So. As you could see, the camera went all the way up and all the way down nicely, and that is how you fix the bottom half of the gimbal.
Well done.
Thank you for watching my YouTube video, and hit the like and subscribe button.